Good morning. So class, as we have done U sound words, isn't it? Short sound as well as the long sound. But we did not do any writing work. Why? Because I had thought that we will be writing in cursive from now. Okay, and you have learned certain, I think 12 or 13 letters you have learnt. So according to that, we are going to start writing in cursive. Okay, and we are going to write some of the U sound words today. Okay, as we have learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Up to J you have learned in cursive, and a letter U and T. Okay, so using all these letters we are going to write some of the U sound words in cursive. From now onwards you have to practice writing in cursive. Okay, so let's get started. So we are going to write U sound words. U sound words. Okay, so the first word is cub. C-U-B, cub. K-A-B, cub. Now see how am I writing it? K A. Now we will write B. Just see it. Cub. We will write it 3 times. K A B. Okay. Now third time. Likewise, you have to practice 3 times each these words in cursive. So, in this manner, you will be able to learn the spellings as well as your writing practice will be done. Cub, cub, cub. Now, second word. The second word is dub. D-U-B, dub. Now, we will write dub 3 times. See? Like C, you have to start and you have to go up, come down, D, then write U, then B, D, A, B, dub. The second time, D, A, B, dub. The third time, D, A, B, dub. Okay? Now see here, the next word is hub. So first you have to write H, then U, then B. H, U, B, hub, and write it 2 times more. 1, 2. Next is bud. B complete here, then write U, then write D, B-U-D, bud. The same you have to write 2 more times. Then the next is C-U-D, cud. U D cud, comma, 2 more times. Then here you have to write B-U-D bug, B-U-G bug, B, then B here completed. Then you have to write U, G, bug, 2 more times. Then the next word is C-U-T. Just see here. Again C is completed here. Now from here you have to write U. Go for U. U is completed here. Then go for T. C-U-T. Cut. 2 more times. And the last one is B-U-T but. First you have to write B. See here. B is completed. यहाँ B complete हुआ है. यहीं से U start होगा. U. Then T. B-U-T but. Okay. So likewise you have to complete all these. One more time I am telling you. Okay. You have to write H-U-B hub. So I am writing H. H is completed here. Then यहाँ से U start होगा. U is completed here. यहाँ से B start होगा. H-U-B hub. Here B-U-D but. Write B. B is completed here. Now write U. U is completed. Then D. B-U-D but. Next is C-U-D cud. C complete हुआ. U start कीजिए. U complete हुआ. D लिख लीजिए. D. C-U-D cud. Now next is bug. B. जब B कंप्लीट हो जाएगा देन यहाँ से U लिखेंगे. U. और जब U कंप्लीट हो जाएगा तो G लिखेंगे. G. B-U-G bug. Then the last is C. It's not the last. C complete हुआ. Then लिखेंगे U. फिर U complete होने के बाद T. And the last one is B-U-T but. First you will write B. After B is completed here. Then write U. Then T. So likewise you have to complete today's work in cursive. You have to write today's work in cursive. So class, this was your cursive class today. As we have written cub, dub, hub, bud, cud, bug, cut and but in cursive, you also have to practice the same. And if suppose आप 2 ही बार लिखना चाहते हो तो 2 ही बार लिखना. ठीक है. आप 2 ही बार लिखोगे but you have to write it beautifully. Okay. So this is all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.